What's up everyone, my name is Rishabh Gupta. Today I'll be teaching you a new jump rope dance move. It is called hop step. Now this one is quite more focused on the footwork. If you want to really nail down this jump rope dance move, you have to be good at the footwork. And without waiting a lot, let's begin. So guys, in order to perform this jump rope trick, first of all we are going to focus on the footwork, which can be quite tricky. So we'll nail it down first. Let's start with the basic position where our feet are quite close to each other, and I'll bend my right foot and then I'll jump and keep my feet wide apart. Then I'll jump back to the position where I started from, but my left foot will bend. It will look like this, and then I'll jump again, and afterwards I get my feet close again. So this is our basic footwork of this jump rope trick. It looks quite simple when you are performing at this low speed, but when you start to perform it at regular speed, it can be really difficult. Let me show you how it looks when we perform it at regular speed. Now if you want to perform this with the jump rope, it can be really difficult to perform on the both sides, so we'll break it down into two parts. First of all, we are just going to focus on the right side, so our footwork will look like this. It will be quite simple. We'll bend our right foot like this, and then we'll jump, keeping our feet wide apart, and then we'll come back to the position, then we'll jump again. So this is going to be our first step. We have to master this part, which is the right side, and we'll try to combine it with the jump rope. So now let me show you with the jump rope how it looks like. So guys, I'll start with the basic jump and try to perform this step only on one side, which is the right side. Let me show you how it looks. We're starting with the basic jumps. So this is how it looks like on the right side, and now we'll practice it on the left side, and the footwork is going to be the same. I'll bend my left foot, jump, keep my feet wide apart, jump back again. So this is the footwork which you need to focus on, and we'll start combining it with the jump rope, and it will start to look like this. We're starting with the basic jumps again. Now I'll show you after combining both sides. We'll start with the right and the left. And that's how you perform hop step. Guys, I hope you find this jump rope dance move tutorial quite easy to learn. If you are able to nail down the footwork, it won't take much time to master this jump rope dance move. And I will see you in the next video.